Today I have a midweek top-up shop. Now, I had to do this over 2 days because I had no time to go shopping. And Aldi was pretty bare, even though I went at like 3 p.m. So ignore the 4 coffees I've had. 2 litres A2 light milk, $6.89. Also at Aldi, I got a jar of butter chicken sauce. Now, I just have had this major hankering for Indian food. This could be very, very, very bad. I don't know, but I'm going to give this a go. How much was this jar? $2.89. So I think I might cook that up. Also at Aldi, a packet of spinach, $1.99, and I got 3 Packham pears. I've been really enjoying pears recently. These were on special, $3.49 a kilo. So these 3 set me back $2.04. And I got a packet of shortbread fingers. Yeah, really bad for you, but so buttery and delicious. $2.29 for my junkie thing of the week. Then they didn't have eggs. I wanted eggs, like absolutely stripped bare. And tonight I've just been to Coles. It's after hours, so I think Aldi closes at 8. But, I finished work late. So I got chicken thighs, 766 grams, $13.41. So I'm going to do up the butter chicken. And on special was this garlic naan, $3.15. You get 2 of them. Might do this up in the air fryer rather than the oven. And some strawberries. These ones were going for $4.90. Expensive, but it just felt like it. And the final thing was donuts, a 12-pack for $3.30. I also hit up the post office yesterday because Australia Post apparently has stopped delivering. I got my kilo, 1.25 grams, 250 grams of coffee for the month. This 1.25 kilos set me back $64. And coffee is getting more and more expensive, but if I want fresh beans and from a local roaster, that's what it's costing. So that's my midweek top-up shop, and I'll put my total up on screen. Okay, prep work is ready. It's not that hard. It's literally following the instructions. I've got 450 grams of, not lean. Well, I did trim some of the fat off. I prefer thigh to breast. It's just juicier. And I'm not a great cook of chicken. So with breast, I tend to make it a bit dry by overdoing it. It's harder to dry out thighs. I'm going to fry up apparently 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I've got canola, same thing. 450 grams of chicken until sealed, and then I'm going to dump the whole jar in and simmer for 15 minutes. I don't have coriander. I hope this tastes good. We'll have to eat it anyway. Whole jar goes in, and then I'm going to do my garlic naan. I've never had this brand before. Let's follow the instructions. I'm going to substitute the air fryer for the oven, wrap in foil, 200 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. So let's cut this open and have a look. It smells garlicky, a bit of a fake garlicky smell, but it's actually the thickness I'm more interested in. I just picked up this packet from the bakery section at Coles, literally next to the fresh breads and toasts and stuff like that. And usually in the past, in the supermarket brands, I've seen that they're really, really thick. So I prefer this kind of thinness. kind of what you get with your Indian takeaway. So wrap the whole thing in foil, apparently. I wonder if it will fit in my air fryer. 8 to 10 minutes. All right, so I'll get this on the stove first and throw this in the air fryer. See you at the next step. Okay, so this was a 15-minute dinner, actually. I know the jar said simmer for 15 minutes, but I was like, I don't think it needs to boil away, simmer for 15 minutes. Besides, the sauce started splitting, so, you know, it's cooked. It's chicken. Doesn't take that long. My naan, I put it in for 10 minutes in the air fryer, and as you can see, it's steaming. It smells like bread, to be honest. There's not much garlic to it now that it's heated up. I think this is 2 portions, or one very generous portion. Yeah, so I'm gonna rip up some of my naan. Ooh, hot, absolutely hot. Just going to try the sauce first. You know what? It's not that bad. I'm really skeptical of jar sauces, mostly because my experience is with Asian sauces, which I think are really awful tasting. Sorry if you like them, but you know, I've got all the constituent ingredients at home usually for an Asian meal. Yeah, I would not try to cook Indian food by myself from scratch at home. I just don't have the spices for it. This is a British production I saw made in the UK. This jar from Aldi. Mild spice, yeah. The mildest of mildest kicks to it. But butter chicken is like very, very standard. It's like sweet, basically. I don't mind this. I think this tastes pretty good. This is okay. It's like bread. It's honestly like pita bread. I don't taste any garlic at all. Anyway, that's my dinner. I'm gonna, go to the couch. Wow, it's a lot actually. So, and this is a very, very quick meal. I did not anticipate dinner to be done so quickly. Yeah, I think I'll probably do it again. I quite enjoy this. I'll put all my costings up on screen.